Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for Discord server verification. To get started, open a web browser and go to discordapp.com/verification. Once the page loads, click on Apply Now. You'll be asked to sign into your Discord account, so log in using the account that owns or manages the server you want to verify. After signing in, Discord will guide you through the server verification application. Fill out all the required details about your server, including its purpose, community size, and any other requested information. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate before submitting the application. Once submitted, Discord will review your application. If approved, your server will receive the verified badge. Keep in mind that Discord verification is typically reserved for notable communities, brands, creators, or public figures, so approval is not guaranteed. And that's how you apply to verify your Discord server. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.